it's me Anubhuti. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are in Bangkok and I'm staying at Grand Center Point Hotel in Plonchit area. So I thought let me give you a quick hotel room tour and let's get started. So guys, as we enter the room, on your left you have like a shoe rack and some, what do you say, the umbrellas for a rainy day, because apparently it really rains a lot here in Thailand. Also some more storage space here, and on my right there's a full face mirror, so if you are exiting or just entering the room, you can quickly just check yourself out and your OOTD of the day. Well, next stop is a quick small kitchen. Let me turn on the light. So yeah, voila, there's a quick small fridge to store your whatever drinks for on a hot weather. Here's whatever things which you might need. This is where you might think of cooking, which we are hardly doing. And yeah, quite big storage here, and you can even get a sneak peek of the sitting area there. And here is the lobby. It's quite cute. I really liked it. The best part is not the couch, not the TV, but these doors in front of the windows, because today, because it really rained and it rained well here, so I just wanted like some good natural air in the room, so I kind of just opened these doors, wooden doors, and I really like the view. Let me show you the view. Look, it's apparently one of the posh areas, really nice hotel. So if you're planning to come to Bangkok, you can check this one out. Here, let me give you a sight and see what all you can see from here. So the moment you exit the hotel, you have a connecting road in front of you, and you can easily get a cab if you are looking for a cab, or even if you want to take the SkyTrain, it's walking distance. So the location is quite nice as per what I think. I may be wrong. If you are somebody from Bangkok, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, getting back to the video, here's the place where you kind of have an ironing board and an iron. That's of course the TV. Here's one of my favorite places, which is the balcony. Let me show you. So yeah, apparently I really like this balcony, because in the night, I mean right now it's pretty hot in here, so we'll get back inside, but the point is that in the evening it kind of cools down a bit. I won't say it really gets pleasant, because right now we are in apparently the hottest month of the year, which is April. So it's quite hot outside, but I really take out time to kind of sit outside, maybe in the evening or late in the night. It's quite nice. It's breezy, it's fun, or you can just chill in the balcony. It's quite nice. That's the sofa or the couch. You have another phone here. That's the washroom. So basically the washroom can be used by the guests as well as, and it's quite spacious, I feel. That's the bathing area. That's the tub. It's quite nice. I'm really liking this place. Well, it has two doors. I think it's very common here. So the same bathroom has two doors. So this one goes to the lobby and this one enters the bedroom, or it's connected to the bedroom, like I say. So yeah, that's what it is. It's got wardrobes for your storage. That's a nice bed, most comfy, but ignore these like the wrinkles on the bed sheet, because I've been sprawling around the bed. So yeah, they make the bed really beautifully. Trust me, the housekeeping here is amazing. They do it every day. Proper cleaning of the towels, making sure everything is nice and cozy and neat for you. So I'm really liking this hotel. The service is awesome here. Well, I also have here a small desk. I won't say small, it's quite extended desk here, but most of the time I'm sitting here and working. Also, there's a TV which we've hardly used. And yeah, again, we have a view of the city. Look at that. It's quite nice. Sometimes, you know what? Sometimes I'm just like here, just looking out, and I get lost in my thoughts. But yeah, coming back to the video, guys, I'm telling you, it's a really nice spacious hotel. We've been living here or staying here for I think a week and a half, and we haven't faced any single issue. People at the desk at the main gate are really nice, polite, but that's how many people and most of the people are in Bangkok. They're really nice, polite, very courteous, and really helpful. So yeah, if you enjoyed looking at this home tour, well, you'll really love staying here in the hotel, trust me. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, or if you would like to see more of the amenities in the building, or I mean in the hotel. I would love to do another quick video for you. And yeah, that's about it. Well, wait, what are we forgetting? Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.